Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to move Crosshair in Crosshair X. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the application. And once done, I'm just going to go ahead and make it smaller, like so. And once that's done, go to the left panel and click on position and size, okay? Right here, as you can see, you can just go ahead and use these arrow keys horizontally right here and vertically in the right side, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on right here. As you can see, it's moving, okay? At the top, or add in the numbers manually, okay? Now, if you want to reset it, just click on center right here, and you'd be good to go. Now, if you're in game, okay, you can just easily use this shortcut, okay, or toggle Alt plus Shift plus your arrow keys. Okay, and make sure the shortcut in game it is enabled. So let's go ahead and try that. So again, Alt Shift plus arrow keys, as you can see here. All right. Now, if you want to reset it, you'll have to go back to the Crosshair X menu, the center, like so. Now, another option is by using under display mode, the game bar mode. So I'm going to go ahead and choose game bar mode right here. Then I'm going to press Windows plus G to open up the Crosshair X extension via Xbox game bar. So I'm going to untick Auto Center right here. And then I'm going to move the overlay or the extension like so. And then I'm just going to tap away. Minimize Crosshair X. And as you can see here, my crosshair is at my top right. All right. That's basically it. Now going back right here, Windows plus G, Auto Center, and we're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.